Here I have two huge cardboards. I have to set the big elephant for a drama. Let's see.
So this is going to be a time-lapse video as I took 3 days to complete this interesting art and craft work, as I had to create an elephant for the Wayanad landslide scene for a drama. And here I had two pieces of cardboards almost 7 feet high, and I took the whole size to make the elephant. And I would say this was the one of the most exciting craft work I have ever done. So I first gave an outline sketch of the elephant head, and then here I could find a lot of holes or gaps in the cardboard size. This was the handle part where there was a gap for the cardboard. This is the board, cardboard of covering of a smart class board. So I got this from the school campus itself, and so first I covered the holes and then started drawing the outline sketch of the elephant. So this is the art and craft room of our school, and I have few volunteers helping me in other craft works behind the camera. And here then I started painting with gesso on the cardboard so that my paint gets fixed onto the cardboard properly. So the first coating is a white coating with primer, that is the gesso. This was the first time I was painting such a big painting, whatever it is, let it be an elephant or whatever. This is the first time I'm doing such a huge painting, so you all can understand the excitement I was having. And in the beginning I had a little bit of doubt with how and all, but once I started with the outlining with a pencil, then everything was clear cut in my mind. What should be the shape of the elephant, how the head shape should be, how the body shape should be, what should be the height, and everything was clear cut in my mind, and how I'm going to cut it and the colors which I'm going to use, everything was very clear cut in my mind. So nothing could hinder me from doing this painting. So I was very comfortable doing this, there was no confusion at all. So I enjoyed a lot doing this painting, as you can see in this video. So here I painted both the cardboard pieces with gesso completely, and you can see the patchworks over there with the white masking tape. I had filled that gaps wherever the holes were there with this filled with the patchworks of the white masking tape, and that also is covered with gesso. And first I started with the eyes because that was the most important part of the elephant. So eyes I had given shading and drawing first, and then I continued with the trunk. So anyway, I did not take complete video, but whatever I had taken, it is in time lapse, and in between I think 2-3 minutes I have taken the normal video. This is just for memory, so I would love to watch this video in between, so I have kept it in a long video itself. So please watch the whole video, and if you like the video, please don't forget to like my video, and please, if you haven't subscribed my channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel too. This is not the end of the video, but I'm just going to leave a break to my voice message here. So here almost the main part of the elephant is complete, where the shading is most required. So I was checking in the light, proper light, whether the shading has come out nice, and asking my student volunteers also whether it has come nice. So they all gave me a thumbs up. Anyway, happy with it, and so I'm going to continue with the work. So this is the day 2 of my elephant. You may be thinking, so much of time? No, it has a lot of detailing which cannot be seen in the video. It has great detailing here. So it took a lot of time. Then the drying portion of the paint also is there. So in between I had other works also. So only that much portion on first day, and I continued the painting on the second day. almost I completed the painting of the head portion and the body portion. Body portion needs little bit more touch up, so first I had finished the head portion perfectly. Then I cut out the extra cardboards so that I get comfortable with the shape and the painting of the rest of the portion. So I had cut out with a pen knife. The cardboard was too thick. It was very difficult for me to cut out. Anyway, it was interesting to do. Now this is the third day and it was not a working day for the school, so we teachers had to come and only the participants were there in the school. So here I joined both the pieces with the white masking tape and then filled the tape with the same color, and I colored it in a way so that the joint is not seen, so that it is not understood that two pieces were joined. Anyway, I was very happy to see that it was not that visible that it was two pieces and joined together. So finally I painted it like that. So literally I was sitting on the elephant. Anyway, I could complete it as expected and I was completely satisfied with my work, and finally the elephant came out well, I believe so. So then after that painting session, this is the final look of the elephant. I'll show you from the top view. So this is the final look of the elephant. Anyway, completely satisfied with my work. Please leave a comment in the comment box. And here I was a little bit scared whether it will get broken from the middle, so backside also I gave a fixation with the white tape, and this is the handle which I fixed for the volunteers to handle it easily because they had to move this elephant. So that is the handle portion fixed firmly over there, and the middle portion still I had a doubt, so I had fixed some cardboards over there to make it strong. So it was perfectly strong also. So fully satisfied video, and I just enjoy doing this work, and this is the final output. And the trees are not for the same drama, that is for another drama. And if you like the video, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe my channel if you haven't done. Thank you and bye bye.